Okay, folks, here's trim part 2. So to recap, this is the trim that came off my 1968 Plymouth Barracuda notchback. If anybody has not seen it, Just Mopar Joe Williams has the car at his shop now. As a matter of fact, he just downloaded a video. I can't wait to go see it, the progress. But this was sent out to a place in Florida. That's the original trim off the car. And if you look at part 1 in this trim series, you'll see what he shipped it in right here. That's the box. He didn't put any insurance on it. And you know, it's a shame because this is, for one, it's my original trim. And secondly, he did a really nice job. I mean, it looks really nice, at least for what it was. But then this. So that's what he shipped it in. And after I had the discussion with him, you know, he said that it wasn't his fault. Again, I hate calling out names for people, but yeah, that's what we got from him. So basically, that's $800 to $1,000 after the shipping and everything that I spent to ship to him. I think I spent $291 on all of the way I had it boxed, and then that's how he boxed it on the return. So let's move on. This is from a very good guy. His name's Bill. I don't know if he wants me to mention his last name, but look at the difference in how he shipped it. This guy actually took the time to ship it in a tube, UPS instead of the United States Postal Service. And I think he even actually took the time to try to clean it up and polish it as much as possible. So, you know, I'd like to mention the good people out there, and Bill's one of them. And he did not gouge me on this thing either. He could have gouged me on this. So we're going to open it up, and let's see what we got. So far, so good. Now look at this. A box within a box. Look at this. Jeez. Already high expectations. Look at this. All right, see what we got here. Nice. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Bill. Wow. What a great guy. Look at this. Look at this. My gosh. Bill, thank you very, very much. I don't think you know how excited I am, Bill. Oh my gosh. Look how this guy actually cared and gave a, you know what. He wasn't trying to just get money, and actually didn't even charge much for this. Bill, thank you very, very much. And again, I don't know if you want your name mentioned out there on the internet, and that's okay. I'm not going to mention this video, but I am going to thank you on the 67 to 69 Barracuda owners forums. That I cannot tell you how happy I am. Thank you very, very much. These are going to be perfect on the car, buddy. Thank you. And big difference. So what Bill did here, he went above and beyond, and I think he probably felt bad for me. I know he probably did. So Bill, thank you. You guys, I know y'all have some awesome cars up there in Wisconsin. I watched looked at your profile, looked at y'all's awesome cars. I think Bill and his brother, or his circle of friends, I think it's his brother, I'm not sure, but they restore A-body Mopars, and they got some really nice cars. So now we made it over this hurdle. Again, very, very happy. So this is going up to the house. It's not staying in the shop. It's going to Just Mopar Joe. Go check out his YouTube channel because he just released a video. I got an update on my phone while we're working on another project. So he's got an update on my car. And Joe, if you're watching, you're going to get to put this on, that pretty paint job you put on later on. So everybody have a good day.